All right, as the COVID vaccine takes center stage, a lot of us are questioning now our legal rights regarding vaccine mandates.
So let's get some help with this now to understand our rights. Let's bring in the attorney with all the answers. You get that? We said all the answers now. Ann-Margaret Carrozza, thank you so much for being with us. A lot of people have this question. Let's get right to it. Can an employer require you to get a COVID-19 vaccine?
In most cases, the answer is yes, but it's important to remember that a vaccine mandate doesn't mean that someone is coming into my home to forcibly give me an injection. It simply means that an employer has the legal right, and I would probably say the responsibility, to take steps to keep the workplace safe, and that means preventing an employee from posing a direct threat of harm to other folks in the workplace.
And that certainly makes a lot of sense, Ann. But this is another question. Are employers then allowed or required to let you work from home if you don't want to take the vaccine, or can they just legally fire you for refusing to get the vaccine?
So this is a big question, and it certainly would be nice for those employers who are able to accommodate work from home requests, but it's probably not mandatory on an employer to do so, especially if doing so would pose an undue hardship on the employer. So this really goes to what is the nature of the job. Right? So if I'm a bookkeeper, I can probably easily work from home. If I'm a plumber or an electrician, I don't know what that would look like. You know, are we phoning into our customers and talking them through the necessary repairs? So that probably wouldn't work out, in which case an employer absolutely can fire us. So it's important to remember that employment in the United States, by and large, is at will, meaning we can be hired and fired for no reason unless the reason is discriminatory. So they can't discriminate against me, but they certainly could fire me if I can't come into the workplace and I don't take the vaccine. Now, it's very important to remember that there are long-standing exemptions to vaccine requirements. Health and bona fide religious objections to a vaccine will be honored, and this was just reinforced by the U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, saying that those exemptions will be honored for a COVID-19 vaccine mandate.
And Ann-Margaret, we talked about mandates you mentioned a moment ago, but let's turn to schools now. Do some of these mandates, will they apply to schools? And will students and teachers be required to get the vaccine?
Absolutely. So a city or municipality definitely has the legal authority to mandate vaccines for school personnel to keep the workplace, in this case it would be a school, to keep it safe. And in terms of students, all 50 states and the District of Columbia right now have vaccine mandates. So adding a COVID-19 mandate to the mix probably would not be a heavy lift.
All right, well, that is certainly the future that we are looking actually forward to, because that means life will start resuming again. Ann-Margaret Carrozza, thank you so much. We certainly appreciate all your legal expertise.
Thanks.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.